Hi there. At the end of this video, you're going to be able to triple the income from your book sales from the 3 platforms that I'm going to show you. My name is Bumi Tokon, and if you're here for the first time and you're looking for simple, actionable strategies for growing your business, advancing your current business, and for self-development, then do subscribe to my channel. All right, platform number 1, of course, it's Amazon. Amazon is still the biggest online bookseller at the moment. To upload your book on Amazon, you're going to have to do some work though. There are 3 things that you need to do. Number 1, you would upload the Amazon format for the KDP, which is the digital version of your book. Then you will also upload a different format, which is generally speaking a PDF format for the Create Space, which is on the same place on kdp.amazon.com for your hard copies. Now, the hard copies is really interesting because for the hard copies, you can use normal fonts, or you can upload a second version, which would be bigger font, which could be size 16. So you could upload a book with size 13 font or size 12 font, maximum size 14 font. Then you can upload a second book for the hard copy, which can be a 16 size font or a 18 size font. I've seen 18. Okay, so that would generate you quite a lot of sales. Now, the third work that you need to do still on Amazon is you have to go to a backend of Audible called acx.com. I'll put all the links in the description below, okay? acx.com to upload your book, or at least request for narrators, and you can do a 50-50 deal where they would actually receive 50% of the income for your books from Amazon, but they would narrate your book for free. Or you can narrate your book yourself and publish it on ACX. But the front end of ACX, that's Audible. All right. So you go to kdp.amazon.com to upload the digital format. You can download the format on the actual platform itself. And then you upload a PDF version for the Create Space, which is the hard copy. And then you go to acx.com to upload your book and request a narrator to narrate your book for you, and you do a deal with them. You don't have to pay anything. You do a deal with them and you can get your book narrated for the Audible, the audio version. All right, so that's Amazon done. The second very interesting book platform that you need to get onto is one called draft2digital.com. draft2digital.com. Now, you need to do this because I just heard about this recently, actually, because this is non-exclusive. It's different from Amazon. It pays monthly, okay? And there's no fuss in the formatting. Sometimes the formatting on Amazon can be very difficult. It can be. It's not always. If you're new, just make sure you either follow the Amazon format or you just get someone on Fiverr or any of those kind of platforms to do the formatting for you, okay? And just done. But if you upload your Word document onto draft2digital.com, they'll format it for you, and they'll format your hard copy as well. And this platform sells to Barnes & Nobles, Google Play Books, Kobo, Overdrive, Scribe, all the other major booksellers online. Okay, so that's Draft2Digital. So we've talked about 1, Amazon, which includes KDP. It includes KDP, Create Space, and Audible. And now we're talking about draft2digital.com. I'll put the description below, okay, so that you can access it. So that's the second platform to go to. And why do you want to do that? Well, you want to reach all these other places that Amazon does not reach. Amazon only sells to their own customers, whilst Draft2Digital will sell to everybody else across the world. So you need your product across the world. All right? Okay. The third platform to help you to triple your book sales income is called Babelcube.com. Babelcube.com. And that platform is for foreign languages. So I've had my books translated to Italian language, Spanish language, Portuguese, French, German. Wow. And I'm getting some sales from that. Now, you can work with Babelcube for, and generate a lot of money if you're prepared to write many books. It only works, or unless your book obviously becomes a bestseller, then it doesn't matter how many books. It's just a case of somebody finding your book there and writing it, translating it into a different language, and then it's gonna sell. Okay, but they also pay every couple of months, and the minimum they will pay out is about $10 or something. But with many books, or with a good book that has become a bestseller, you can make serious amounts of money if that book is translated to different languages like Spanish, Portuguese, French, German. It works. So you can generate money from 3 different sources. Not 4 yet, no, 3 at the moment. It's Amazon, Draft to Digital, and Babelcube.com. Now, let me say something else about Amazon and Draft to Digital. If you sign up on the KDP Select program, which is a program that Amazon have instituted to help you to further promote your book on their platforms, then that takes 90 days. You have to give Amazon 90 days exclusive to your product. So you won't be able to give that product to the digital product side of it anyway. You won't be able to give that to anyone who is selling your product in English. For example, that means that you will not be able to give it to, if it's written in English that is, you won't be able to give it to Draft to Digital. You can only possibly give it to Babelcube.com for 90 days. But if you do not subscribe to the KDP Select program, then of course you can have your book on Amazon. At the same time, you can have it on Draft to Digital, and at the same time, you can have it on Babelcube. All right. I've written a book called How to Write Your First Book, and I'm going to post the link below so you can get more information like this to help you make a success of your book sales. This is Bumi Toko, and I'll see you in the next video. Do subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, do share it. Do let me know how I need to improve it, or if there's any other content you may want around how to write your first book or starting in business, do let me know. All right, I'll see you soon.